Hi mga ka-Faradise, Farah here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin i-verify online ang ating Google Adsense. So naka 4 request na ako and hanggang ngayon hindi pa din dumadating. So kailangan na natin siyang i-verify online. So, ang gagawin natin is punta tayo dito sa itong nakikita natin na i-verify ang iyong billing address. So, itong 3 dots dito. Click natin yan and then tulong. Ewan ko guys, bakit Filipino tong language ko. So, ayan. After nito is hindi ito yung email ko. Ito yung ginamit ko. After this one is punta tayo dito sa having problems with your PIN. So, ito yung PIN troubleshooter. Ayan. After that is magtatanong siya, are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? Check that your earnings are greater than $10. So, yung akin greater than $10 na kahit ano siya. So, yes. Have you received your PIN to receive payments for your Adsense account? All publishers have to verify their no. And then, have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? Yes, 4 pa nga eh. So, this one. You'll have 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter it in your account. If you haven't entered it after 4 months, it will stop showing ads on your pages. Please contact us. So, itong contact us na nakalagay, click natin ito. Please note that we are unable to verify your PIN manually until 30 days have passed since we've issued your third mail PIN. We ask that you can only contact us in relation to PIN. So, required na natin ating name, contact email address, and then publisher ID. Punta tayo dito sa ating account and ito nakalagay ang ating publisher ID. I-copy natin. So, dapat hindi nyo to ipapakita ang publisher ID nyo. Kayo lang dapat nakakaalam. Tapos, paste. Submit an attachment. No file chosen. When filling out the form below, please make sure to attach a clear and visible proof of identity in order to confirm the validity of postal address set in your Adsense account. We accept these documents below. Government issued ID card and vaccine number. or sooner. Bye-bye!
One eternity later.
So, ayun mga ka-paradise, inintay ko siya ng mga 3 days sa email ko, pero walang dumating. And, chinek ko yung Google Adsense account ko. Meron na palang nakalagay na verify na ang iyong email address. Billing address. So, yeah, automatic na pala siya. Since verify na, ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is i-connect ko na siya sa payment ko and hanapin natin siya dito sa mga pagbabayad or sa English is payment ata ito. Ewan ko ba't Filipino to. Translate ko na. Tapos Filipino pa din siya. So yeah, anyways, may gagawin akong part 2 and yun yung paano ka binabayaran or paano, saan mo kukunin yung sahod mo. So, ito siya. Papakita ko sa part 2. So, yun lang po mga ka-paradise. Sana may natutunan kayo and please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye-bye!
Do you wanna know?